Today on Zero to Awesome, we make these new custom center caps for my wheels, because the center caps that are on these wheels, well, they're boring. If you've been following along, you might remember that we recently did a decent amount of work to this Jeep to reward it for saving me from 2 hit and runs within 2 weeks. And if you aren't following along, go ahead and check out the video below where we did a lot of work to this Jeep, including new wheels, new fenders, new fender liners, and also Raptor lining the existing bumpers and rock rails that were on the Jeep. I really do like these wheels. They fit most of the basic wheel requirements, mostly that they're round and they hold tires. One thing that is a little weird are these center caps. They just have this plastic little sticker thing on them that really, I don't think it's gonna hold up very well, especially if I peel it off like that. So today, we're gonna make our own center caps, and that involves some glue, some vinyl, and a 3D printer. The center caps look like this. They have this plastic layer, it looks like clear vinyl, on top of a metal sticker. The metal sticker, I can't just cover it up. My plan is to remove this, put down some colored vinyl, and then put my new center cap on top of here so it fits right back on the wheel. With the old logo off and all of the gooey goo cleaned up, I need to measure it out and start designing my new logo to go in the center cap. I'm just gonna make a nice circle, bevel the edges, and then put a Z2A in the middle. I wonder what that stands for. I'm gonna hollow out the Z, the 2, and the A so that whatever color I put behind it, which I'm gonna use vinyl for, stands out. Everything's looking good. Let's load it onto a memory card and send it off to the printer. When the part comes off of the printer, there's a little brim that prints around it. I have the option of turning that brim off, but it really helps make the print a little more stable. So I've got a little cleanup to do around the edge, and I promise I'm not just throwing the plastic on the floor. But once it's cleaned up, this is going to fit perfectly right inside of my center cap. And so the only thing left to do is to figure out what color I want my logo to be in the center cap. I went through my collection. I went through my bin of vinyl, and well, I'm thinking it might be this orange color. I did find this gold, which that could look, no, that gold could look pretty awesome. No, we're doing orange. Back to the garage. The vinyl I'm going to use is a waterproof, UV resistant exterior vinyl. I considered using my little vinyl cutter to make something that perfectly fits inside these arcs, but then I realized I really don't care that much, and there's a good chance it's gonna fall off on the highway anyways. So, scissors will do. And there you have it, a custom center cap that looks a lot better than the sticker that was on there before. But I've only made one, so now I've got to go make 3 more of them. But it's a printer, and we did it on a computer, so we can just hit like Control Paste, right? Paste. 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 There we have it, a new center cap. And I must say, I think it looks a lot better than this thing that was on here before. Now, if only I could figure out what the Z2A stands for. I'll figure it out one day. Anyways, if you like what you see, subscribe. If you hate what you see, go ahead and think about leaving us a comment below. And if not, we'll see you next time. Control, paste. Whoops.